This 2024 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton 2.6 RBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Ringgold, Virginia, 24586 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Danville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features a driftwood interior, sleeps 6, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, TV, external shower, DVD player, air conditioning, awning, spare tire kit, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton 2.6 RBS is 6,796 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.